Hi friends, welcome to Queen's Collection. First of all, take care of your health and health of your family members. And today I've brought you excellent collections of dress materials, which you can directly buy online from our website, or you can just ping us on our WhatsApp number, and our team will get in touch with you. And all the collections, if you like the collections, see the video till the end, and share our video, like our video, and subscribe our channel. And first variety what I'm showing you today is nice blue color cotton material top with an brown color bottom with this. In this I've got many other color combinations also. Beautiful blue color, ink blue color top with small mirror work scattered all toward the top, and you'll have a beautiful dupatta with this. See the dupatta, you'll have an excellent full dupatta along with this, and I've got 4 to 5 color combinations in these. This is one color combination with maroon color. This is the green. All buttas will be keep on changing. The print buttas will keep on changing. No two buttas will be same. This is the navy blue. The sea green color, and this is the mustard. And other than these also many more varieties are available in this range, and this range is around 580. Next variety what I'm showing to you will be also very excellent variety. You will have this orange color top in jute cotton material with nice tailoring pattern at the neck, beautiful tailoring pattern at the neck, and you'll have this contrast maroonish color bottom in this orange top and maroon print, and so maroon complementing maroon bottom, and you will have chunni in both the color combination of the top and the bottom, and with mirror work, with embroidery work over it. And I'll show you the color combinations also, the beautiful color combinations. You have this pink combination with blue bottom pink with blue combination, and next you have this dark blue with dark navy blue bottom, and green with dark green combination. So combination wise the variety is totally different, and range wise it's very reasonable, 630 range only. And next variety what I'm showing, this also very excellent. You'll have this variety in pastel chart. If you do not have pastel chart, you can definitely close your eyes and go for this collection. Nice, very different print is on the cotton base, very beautiful print. And you'll have this bottom not in contrast, actually the print will be a bit different, and the chunni is all the same according in cotton dupatta. Chunni is in cotton, and you will have got 4 different colors in this, all pastel chart as I said you. This is the pink, this yellowish chart, and this is the peach color. So all the 4 colors are real excellent varieties. The cotton fabric is range is very reasonable. It's only 710 range. The next variety what I'm showing also very excellent variety. You'll have beautiful green color. On this green color you'll have an excellent patch in the neck. The patch will have beautiful color and beautiful embroidery also over it. Very simple, sober and decent variety. You have a nice embroidery on the patch, and the patch is of the color of the bottom, and you'll have the chunni also same color as the bottom color, and you'll have bluish color embroidery on the dupatta which complements with the top. And the range for this one is 720 range. Beautiful variety. Range wise very reasonable, variety is very different. The next variety is totally excellent official wear variety. See, this is in black color with just small black and white checks variety, and bottom you'll have in contrast red color. So this is the top, and bottom you'll have contrast red color in this, and you'll have excellent patch at the neck which is supported by wooden buttons. They look extremely beautiful and extremely cute. And you'll have this dupatta along with this 100% cotton dupatta, which will have a top cloth border over the lines, and you have this different combination in this. The combination this is black and white, but the bottom and chunni combination will remain same maroon color combination, and range wise is quite reasonable. It's only 720 range. You will get a beautiful 720 range for an official wear variety. And next variety what I'm showing is also very different variety. This variety what we have already given you in black color and white color, and customers wanted more of colors in this, so we bought this navy blue color for you this time. Excellent navy blue color, lightweight cotton material with all block print over it, supported with mirror work and nice work on the neck pattern with gotapatti border. You have the nice contrast yellow, and this is a beautiful dupatta with sequence work and embroidery over it. See, so variety it's totally unique, different, and range is quite reasonable, 760 range only. Excellent variety which can you use for daily wears or fancy party wears. And this one more very ethnic Indian wear, different variety altogether. You might not have these combinations, you might not have these varieties. Totally traditional concept. This is a pure handloom ikat print with full big panna you'll have, and you'll have this kalamkari bottom and kalamkari dupatta. So first of all, concept is very new. Handloom top with kalamkari bottom and chunni, ikat print top with kalamkari bottom and chunni. Same ikat prints will have this. I've got other combinations also. So combinations will be keep on changing in this. Never two combinations will be same. And the varieties what I'm showing you right now, they will also be changing within a span of 3 to 4 days. All the stocks what I'm showing you right now will get sold out. So if you want to book your piece very fast, and you can book online as well. You can send in your message to our WhatsApp number. Our team will respond to you. And these are the 4 or 5 combinations what I'm showing you right now. So excellent combinations, totally unique variety, different combinations, and cloth wise the quality is very high. And next variety what I'm showing you is very totally different, excellent variety. This beautiful concept, this cotton variety with silk print over it. It looks like a silk dress what you're wearing. So different print over it, and you'll have this bottom contrast in beige color, and excellent chunni also, silk dupatta. See the, and dupatta will have multicolor thread embroidery over it. This is the dupatta in this, and the range for this one is 860 range only. Excellent concept, beautiful variety. See, excellent variety, different concept. So all the varieties what I'm showing right now are really excellent, different concepts. This is one more traditionally totally different concept variety. This is a grey color top with you'll have a kalamkari patch at the neck, and with to complement that we got in kalamkari bottom. The whole bottom is made of kalamkari, so you can get a straight bottom stitched or you can get a chudi bottom stitch. It look really good, really different, really excellent, and you'll have this pure 100% cotton dupatta along with this. So a totally unique variety, totally official. It looks very good when you wear for office wear and all. The range is only 870 range. See, you can have a look at the piece, totally different. 870 range, totally different variety. Next variety, it comes in silk model, base is silk, one of the fastest selling variety of the store. I got many more prints in this. At present I'm showing you only 3 to 4 prints. In a span of 10-15 minutes I cannot show you the whole stock. If you want to see more of a collections, you can see, you can buy via video call actually. And this is a grayish color top with rust color bottom and rust color dupatta with all dewdrops over it. And I'll show you the color combinations in this one. Different color combinations. This is a pink one. This is a pink bottom and chunni with the yellow top. And this is a beige color, biscuit color bottom chunni, biscuit color top with maroonish falsa color bottom and chunni. So 3 combinations in this, and many more combinations are available offline also, and you can see them through video call. And next variety what I'm showing, really excellent. If you want something in black, you can definitely go in for this combination. Different variety, different combination, very beautiful piece. Black place, black color cotton material with multicolor print on it, and supported with gold print. And you'll have this military green or brownish color bottom, and same color in combination of dupatta this is the batik print dupatta with combination of top and bottom. In this, background will remain same. You'll have this bottom and chunni will change according to the color of the tailoring pattern given over here. I've shown you this biscuit color combination. You'll have this one more maroonish color combination. So you can take whichever color you like. So combination wise it's totally different, range wise it's quite reasonable. It's only 9-10 range. So don't miss the collections. If you like to something in black, definitely book the pieces, they're really good. And next variety is in mustard color. Totally different concept, totally beautiful variety. And see the beautiful mustard color with red color print over it, and nice red color work given on this neck also with all French knots. Then you'll have bead work, then you'll have this kardana work supported by gotapati work on the neck, and you'll have the straight chest. Bottom you'll have the stripes section. You'll have stripes print in the bottom. So if you get a chudis, if you get a straight pant stitch or a plazo stitch, it will look very beautiful, excellent, different variety it look. And you'll have a plain chunni with top with bottom patch over the borders, plain chunni. And the range for this one is quite reasonable. It's only 9-10 range, heavy quality cotton material with 9-10 range. We have got stitching facility available with us. If you like, we can get it stitched and courier to a place. Worldwide shipping facility is also available, and varieties what you're seeing right now will be available only for 3 to 4 days. So please book your piece as fast as possible. See, this is one more variety. If you like to see, this is the top. You have a bottom in contrast gray color in this, and you'll have an excellent dupatta along with this. In the dupatta patch, the applique work of the dupatta will be different for each and every piece. No 2 pieces will have the same kind of applique in that. So different variety. And I've got And next variety what I'm showing is also totally traditional variety, coffee brown with orange combination, very rare color combination. You might not have this combination. Totally official wear variety, different variety. It's a totally different concept, and we'll have this print over the neck, and you have the same print on the side borders also, which you can utilize for tailoring pattern in the dress to enhance the beauty of the dress. And the bottom is in, again you'll have a very beautiful printed bottom. For again you can go for a straight bottom or a plazo, it will look totally different. It will look excellent. And chunni is also very different. See, chunni is also very nice. Heavy quality cotton, range is only 1030 range, so excellent piece for 1030 range. Heavy quality cotton, official wear, fancy wear, you can wear, good for all occasions. Actually it will look good for all occasions. Next variety what I'm showing is in satin cotton variety. All totally different, 4 colors in this are totally different colors, totally nice combination. I've got up down chart in this in couple of them. So this is the green color top. We'll have this self color embroidery supported by sequence work over it, and we'll have bottom in contrast, mustard color bottom in contrast, and you'll have this dupatta also in contrast with 4-side border of the top material, and laria kind of embroidery done all over the top, all over the dupatta, all over the dupatta. And the range for this one is 1090 only. And see the color combinations. This mustard with green, you have seen this is the reverse combination that, and you have got this gray color with the pink color combination, and you'll have this pink with gray combinations. So all 4 colors are really excellent, and range wise they are very reasonable, 1090 range only. It's excellent varieties. Don't miss the collections. If you like the collections, you can book these directly online, or you can ping us to our WhatsApp number. Our team will get back to you. And this is one more variety, beautiful concept, new variety, totally raw silk top. You'll have in this raw silk top with small mirror work continuing throughout the dress. And what the color of the mirror, outlining of the mirror, you'll have the bottom, and you'll have excellent multicolor batik applique work, and the same applique work is done on the dupatta also. So complete concept is very beautiful concept. Concept wise the variety is very different. If you will not, definitely not have these combinations. And range wise it's quite reasonable. It's only 1180 range, totally 100% washable product. This one is in 1180 range. You have an excellent piece, and color combinations also you can see all pure party wear, heavy combination, heavy party wear combinations. See, you have this green with pink bottom, chunni is again different. You have this pink with greenish, sea greenish type bottom, and you'll have this dupatta again different. So totally concept wise a totally new concept, and color combination wise also variety is totally new. You might not have this color combination with you, blue with yellow bottom and this chunni. So variety wise, see all excellent combinations, excellent varieties, totally different varieties. And if you like those, we can get them stitched and send it to your place. Next variety what I'm showing is in yellow top with pink bottom, pure party wear variety. Earlier we have given you this variety in silks, but many of the customers wanted this varieties in cotton, so we bought this in cotton for you this time. Excellent handwork on the neck, with supported with the bead work, mirror work, and French knots. And you'll have this bottom pink, it will come in contrast pink color, and dupatta you'll have a full bandhi dupatta, bandhis dupatta with pink color, and supported with top color border over it. And you will have excellent more 2 colors in this. So you'll have this creamish off-white color with same pink color chunni, and you'll have this black color top with same pink color chunni again. So different variety, totally new concept, nice variety. Range is also quite reasonable. It's only 1180 range. Now the next variety what I'm showing is totally in silk variety, 100% silk, 100% party wear variety. Nice sea green, dark sea green color, Chanderi silk with Banarsi buttas over it, and you will have a nice handwork butta on the neck with the French knots, mirror works, diamond work, and some sequence work over here. And you'll have this nice navy blue color bottom with an excellent dupatta also, full Banarsi dupatta. See, heavy Banarsi dupatta. And the range of this is quite reasonable. It's only 1260 range. So if you put around about 1800 range, you'll have a party wear dress ready with you. So in different combination, that to rare collections. You will not have these collections available here and there. The collections are rare. The variety is different. And the price is quite reasonable. So don't miss the collections. Excellent variety, excellent designs, excellent different patterns. This is one more variety actually. Similar. This is also in Chanderi silk with small Banarsi buttas all over, with small mirror works scattered throughout them. And see the color work, it's done quite neat. The work is quite neat, and the color combination is also very different. On the yellowish color you'll have this bluish color work. On this bluish color work you have this bluish bottom, and dupatta again it will come in Banaras dupatta. It's 1260 range. So varieties are totally different, unique concepts. Don't leave these varieties, they're really different. If you like the pieces, just Ping us on a WhatsApp number, our team will get back to you. Next variety is a similar concept, but this is in plain heavy Chanderi silk variety. Nice work over the neck, beautiful concept. You might not have this color, totally new color, and work is also totally different. Small mirror works with French knots, different variety, different color combination. If you want to look different, you should definitely not miss this piece. See the different variant. Chunni is also very nice, pure heavy Banarasi dupatta. The combination wise totally different variety, and the range for this one is around about 1340 range. Excellent variety. You can have a look at this piece. If you want, we can get it stitched and send it to your place. Next variety what I'm showing you right now is in this also totally different variety. First time what we showed you this variety was with white and pink combination, but we've got an overwhelming response from this piece, so we bought colors in this, and the background will remain same, the cream color background with Gotapatti support, but the bottom and chunni colors will keep on changing in this. This is the bottom and chunni color. This is the bottom is in peach color, and chunni is also very different peach chunni with the silk base with the digital prints. See, silk base with digital print actually. I will show you all the four combinations. All the four combinations are really excellent. This is the peach color combination what I showed you. Next you will have this yellow color combination. Yeah, this is yellow color bottom and yellow color dupatta. Look at the piece action. All the four colors I'll just show you. The pieces are really excellent. Beautiful concepts, beautiful varieties. If you do not have this combinations, definitely go in for this, the blue, and then you'll have this blue bottom in this. You can sorry, this is the pink bottom and pink chunni. This is pink, and last finally the blue one. So variety wise totally different, unique model, unique variety. You will definitely not have this combination at your place, and this variety is also very different. See, blue concepts. So all four color combinations are really excellent, and these are for today. If you like these collections, like our video, share our video, subscribe our channel, and if you can buy directly online from our website, or else you can ping on to our WhatsApp number. Our team will get back to you, and the stocks what I've shown you right now will be available only for 2-3 days, so make your choice as fast as possible. We have got stitching facility available with us, and we have got worldwide courier facility available with us. If you want to gift it to somebody also, we can courier it to your place. You send in your measurements, we'll get it stitched and send to your place. And thank you for watching the video, and see you soon with new collections. Thank you very much.